Look what we have here. The second kicker amp is down. The first one was my fault, but this one was my fault because I made a mistake and hooked it up to a 1/4 ohm because, as you can tell, it's raining outside. I was trying to beat the rain. I was pinning some new terminals in the sub box, and when I was trying like to rush and beat the rain, I made a mistake and like freaking wired to a 1/4 ohm. I wired it parallel instead of series parallel like a dumbass, but you know, I was in a freaking rush, not thinking, you know. And this amp is only 2 ohms stable. I was gonna hook it up to 1 ohm. I'm taking a risk hooking up to 1 ohm, but I know it can handle 1 ohm on good, you know, electrical. But a 1/4 ohm, hell no. Freaking blow at a 1/4 ohm, and that's exactly what it did. I was so freaking mortified, you know, my mistake. I'm so freaking stupid, man. I got in a rush and freaking slipped my damn mind and wired them all parallel to the series parallel. That's what you get for trying to be in a rush, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna get it repaired. It's like one of the MOSFETs popped on it. I'm just gonna get it repaired and, you know, get rid of it, or probably keep it for a bench amp, and, you know, just get a like a 6K, some mess like that for these subs. But anyways, all right, I'm going to give you a demo of the new mids I installed in here. They sound all right. If you hear any distortion, it's from the camera, not the mids. Alright, I have all 4 of these installed in the doors now. It was a pain in the ass to install these because, as usual, I always lose my freaking tools, and I spend more time looking for the tools I lost than actually doing the install. But anyways, they sound very nice. Messed up how I just installed the mids to overpower the bass, and I don't have no bass. That is freaking screwed up, man. Goodness gracious. Well, it's gonna be like a month or two before, you know, I get anything for bass. Shit.